Hi guys, I'm going to do a tiny little 2-inch something. Let's find something on Pinterest to do. Come on, turn on. Ugh, this is this old phone. Ridiculous. Clear. Pinterest. Let's do something that looks like fun. What the heck is this? Okay, I'm gonna. What the heck is that? And why are we advertising that on Temu? Who the heck is gonna buy that? Okay, just now this advertisement, this one, that one I'll go for. That's Sarah Renee Clark's color cubes. And if I could really afford them, I would get one, but no. If you guys want me to buy one to see what it's like, let me know. Because right now it's not within my normal budget, but if it was something for the channel, I could probably make do with it. Let's see. What do I want to do? You know what? Let's do something like this, which is just an organic shaped membrane Holibaugh type of a thing. Let's just do something like that because it's simple and easy. We're going to use a relatively small nib. See if this one has ink in it. Ah, smudged. We're just going to follow this around, no matter how many times it goes under and over, until we just have used up the whole space we have. Is that the direction I thought that one was going to go? No, it's not. It's the direction my pen took it. Okay, one more. Does that feel full? It feels pretty full. Okay. And then they colored theirs in different layers from darkest to lightest. Let's do that. Let's start with we're going to color with oranges. Don't usually color with oranges. Let me find some oranges that I like. Let's go with sort of a deep orangey brown, terracotta, and then kind of a medium orange. Go with burnt ochre. And then, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. And then a cad orange. And then a sort of a peachy pumpkin orange. I'm going to go with those colors. See what happens. I might have to color from top to bottom rather than bottom to top. I was going to do the deepest one first, but I think I'm going to do the top layer first. Okay, the top layer is this one, which I think we'll need some yellow as well, because this orange of the paper, this looks like a light orange, but it doesn't really do it. Let's go for sort of a more yellowy color. Maybe this one. Spanish orange? Yeah, there we go. Okay, next layer is this one, which is going to have this pencil. Okay, that's this one. And what else goes directly under this? Nope, that's under that one. Okay. This goes under here. This one goes under here. That's under that one. this one. Okay. Then this layer is next. Should have colored them as I drew them. That would have been helpful. Well, there's that one. Goes under that one, but it goes over that one. We're going to give it this one. And in the background, we're going to go for a orangey red, I guess. Chinese orange. That's too much like that one. That one and that one are too similar. So we're going to put a little of this, but then we're going to cover it up with something else. Those are too similar. Too similar. But since I started, I don't want to not have that color in the bottom of all of it. So you're going to do all of that. And then come in. With a deeper, maybe reddish color. We're going to go with this vermilion. There we go. There we go. Now the background's a different color. But it still has a little of that warm orange in it. So it's not completely red. I've been working on a t-shirt for our group cruise this spring. I need to work on that this afternoon. Okay. That one. And these. these away so I don't lose where they live. It doesn't seem like it's in the... Oh! Bother. Did you hear that? I heard that. That was an unfortunate thing that just happened. Yeah. One of these lives over here. Nope, not that one. This one? Perhaps. Yeah. This one came from here. And I dropped one down between my air conditioner and a box. That's not good. All right, let's sign this. Simple, easy, quick, a little Friday something something. All right, you guys have a blessed day. This is going to be called Orange Holibaugh. Orange Holibaugh. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.